Namaste, viewers. It's Wednesday morning, May 28, 2025, and I'm your Sunil Thakker, Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money 7 a.m. early morning news, where we provide you the latest, concise, and precise stock market wrap with accurate figures and numbers. Please do mention your email in the comment section so that we can forward you the daily market wrap in your inbox at exactly 7 a.m. Indian Standard Time each weekday. Markets rode a roller coaster on May 27. Following a volatile session, the benchmark Indian equity indices settled lower on Tuesday amid mixed global cues and profit booking. At close, the Sensex was down 625 points or 0.76% at 81,552, and the Nifty was down 175 points or 0.70% at 24,826. Geo Financial Services, IndusInd Bank, Sun Pharma, Trent, and Adani Ports were the top gainers on the Nifty. The laggards on the index included Ultratech Cement, ITC, JSW Steel, Tata Motors, and Axis Bank. However, broader markets outperformed the leading indices on Nifty Mid Cap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100, settling with gains of 0.15% and 0.10% respectively. On the sectoral front, all majority indexes settled lower, with Nifty Auto, Bank, IT, FMCG, Financial Services, Metal, Consumer Durables, and Oil and Gas. Among the gainers were Nifty PSU Bank, Realty, and Pharma. Banks and financials also struggled. Meanwhile, the fear index, India VIX, which gauges the volatility in the market, settled higher by 2.86% at 18.54 points. Geo Financial Services gained as much as 3.5% after Geo BlackRock Asset Management Private Limited, a 50-50 joint venture between Geo Financial Services and BlackRock, on May 27 said it has received regulatory approval from SEBI to commence operations as an investment management for the mutual funds business in India. Shares of Mazgaon, Duck and Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers gained up to 4% on May 27 after reports said orders to the tune of 44,000 crore rupees could soon be placed by the Navy. Defense Ministry sources cited that the procurement case of 12 advanced minesweepers or mine countermeasure vessels, MCMVs, for the Navy at an estimated cost of around rupees 44,000 crores soon be placed. Interglobe Aviation, the operator of Indigo Airlines, lost over 2% after co-founder Rakesh Gangwal offloaded up to 3.4% of his stake through a block deal that could fetch as much as rupees 6,831 crores, citing people familiar with the matter. The deal marks another step in Gangwal's ongoing effort to gradually exit the airline's holding company. Brainbees Solution, the parent organization of First Cry, dropped nearly 6% after the company reported a net loss of rupees 111.5 crores for the fourth quarter of FY25. Notably, the company's rupees 111.5 crore net loss marked a significant increase from the rupees 43.2 crore net loss reported in the same period of the previous financial year. Sequentially, the net loss witnessed a more pronounced rise from the rupees 14.7 crores reported in Q3 of FY25. And in the US overnight, US markets were open for trading yesterday after the Memorial Day holiday on Monday. US stocks rose sharply to start the week after President Trump walked back tariff threats against the European Union, and the two trading partners indicated that talks were back on track. The on again, off again dance of tariff talks and tentative deals has kept investors on edge, with hopes now rising that last week's threats were more a negotiating tactic than a sign of a renewed trade war. At close, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 741 points, or 1.78% to 42,344. The S&P gained 119 points to 5,922, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 462 points to 19,199. Brent crude is currently trading at $64.09 a barrel. Gold is rupees 95,600 per 10 grams, and silver is rupees 97,730 per kilogram. Now the outlook for today. Nifty continued to trade well above all key moving averages, which is a bullish sign. The Nifty 50 needs to decisively surpass and sustain about 25,000 to initiate an upward move towards 25,100 to 25,200. On the downside, 24,700 acts as a key support, and a break below this level could drag the index towards 24,450. That's the wrap for today, my dear viewers. And if you got value from this, please do subscribe, like, and share this video as much as possible. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.